I watched my parents struggle to vote on Santa Clara County's Measure A. It was a simple yes or no question about affordable housing funding. But to understand what they were actually voting on, they had to read over 40 pages of legal text. And they didn't. They voted along party lines on a local issue that had nothing to do with partisan politics. And they're not alone. Millions of Americans face the same problem every election cycle: complex ballot measures, no clear explanations, and no way to understand both sides before making a decision. The county registrar provides the legal text but no analysis of these situations. Social media apps give you hot takes from people who already agree with you, and most civic engagement apps just tell you how to vote based off your party affiliation. None of them actually help you understand the complexities behind these issues. Thus, I built CivicSpace to solve for this. CivicSpace is an open forum, community-based mobile app that uses AI to break down complex political topics into plain English, showing you the strongest arguments from both sides, predicting long-term impacts, and creating a space where people can discuss issues without the noise of social media. CivicSpace is about giving people the tools to make informed decisions. So, here's how it works. Each month, users get to vote to select a topic of the month from local ballot measures in their jurisdiction. Once a topic wins, users can access the Topic Hub. This is a comprehensive library for users to explore and learn the topic. For example, this is Measure A. Users can easily access the full legal text pulled directly from the county's registrar if they choose to, or they can select an AI-generated summary that explains what this topic is about, who it affects, and what changes if it passes or fails. This is all fact-checked. Below that, you can see 5 of the strongest affirmative arguments and 5 of the strongest negative arguments. These are all synthesized from the legal text and historical data. Both sides get equal treatment. Additionally, as one of the main features of the app, users can post in the forum and declare their stance: affirmative, negative, or undecided. This is a free, open space for people to share their thoughts and opinions around the topic and chat with others as well. The debate feature lets community members sign up to argue for or against the topic in a structured format. Users can tune in and submit questions. After the debate, an AI moderator will generate a comprehensive summary showing the strongest arguments from each side and areas of agreement as well. Last but definitely not least is the impact predictor, one of the most powerful features. Using a hybrid LLM and gradient boosting regression model approach, the impact predictor lets users see what their community would look like years into the future if the topic was affirmed or negated. The AI uses historical data from over 35 years of California ballot measures to predict economic or social effects. Now, building CivicSpace required intentional technical choices. I used Gemini's Flash model because benchmarks from Stanford's AI laboratory reported it was one of the least politically biased models while staying affordable. For the debate feature, I fine-tuned a BERT model on 40 debate transcripts to classify arguments with 92% accuracy. And for the impact predictor, I trained a gradient-boosted regression model on historical California ballot data from 1978 to 2023. To test this app, I used a variety of methods. For example, I evaluated the impact predictor on 15 historical California measures. Out of the 15, it correctly predicted the direction of economic effects in 13 cases, yielding an 87% accuracy. Now, in this day and age, we need to help people use AI responsibly and participate confidently in democracy. Citizens today shouldn't have to hide their opinions, and they shouldn't have to read hundreds of pages to make informed decisions. That's why CivicSpace was created. Thank you.